The Rondo has only one switch located on the control unit. All other functions of the Rondo can be accessed via the FineTuner remote control. Like a remote for your television, the FineTuner can help you to make adjustments without the need to remove the audio processor from your ear. Your clinician or audiologist will configure the FineTuner to suit your needs. Sometimes it may be necessary to sync the FineTuner with the audio processor. To do so, first switch off the Rondo. Next, place the Rondo on the keypad of the FineTuner, directly over the MT key. Finally, switch the audio processor on. The Rondo and FineTuner will be synced automatically. The amber lights of the FineTuner will blink when successfully synced. Bilateral users must sync each audio processor individually. When activating your Rondo, the latest program and settings will be used. These are the same settings used when last switched on. When activated for the first time, Program 1 will become active by default.